Hi viewers, it's a wonderful. I am Prodot Data Management Company, and we are here with Arushi. As you know, that this company is almost 35 years old company. They have started their journey with the cartridge toners in the manufacturing. They are one of the first manufacturer in Indian market. Now they have changed. They have started their lot of new verticals also. They have started with the CCTV camera and new keyboards, mouse, and everything. So let's talk with Arushi and try to understand what new things they are bringing as a new next generation come to the business market, and what are the new value added he is bringing as the manufacturing, and what are the new product which will really needed for the India market. Let's talk to the Arushi and more understand more about them. Arushi, welcome to our channel. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Arushi Rajpal, the director at Prodot Group, and here we are at India Convergence 2025, and welcome to our booth.
Okay, Arushi, we know we are in manufacturing field for a long time. So, what are the new product, new innovation you're bringing to the India market?
So, as already known, we are India's largest manufacturer for printer cartridges and keyboards and mice. So now we've entered a new vertical for which we are very excited for, and that's the CCTV surveillance and security vertical. So we've introduced a number of products, upcoming products rather. They are our SMPS, DVR racks, PoE switches. I think India has got a bright future, very bright future. Now I think everybody is looking out for China +1 as a country, and India is a very favorable space right now. Although with Trump coming in, we don't know which way it's going to sway. But otherwise, India's doing well, got good potential, and many brands from here are reaching outside. So from local, we are going global. So we have close to 1 lakh square feet area of manufacturing plant based out of Dehradun industrial area. About 500-700 people working with us and dedicated with us. And yeah, we've got a good channel selling more than I think 10 million products per annum. So doing well and hoping better for the future. So basically, I think it's a very rational and a logical strategy in terms of what is being imported and then what are the duties on that. If it's an expensive product, what is the landing cost in India, and if we can provide an ecosystem or we have an existing ecosystem for it, as a brand extension or as a product extension, we can do easily. Like we have injection molding machines. So हमें plastic से डर नहीं लगता. Mold है, plastic करके assembling is something that we're good at. And provided if there are certain tariffs on the product. So it's favorable for a manufacturer in the domestic industry to take that up. So these things sort of help one to strategize whether to introduce that product or not. So we do a similar kind of fashion, analyzing the market and then GTM, go to market. So I think आजकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की डेफिनेशन चेंज हो गई. Anybody who's got a screwdriver calls himself or herself a manufacturer. So I think our USP is that we've been in this business for too long for our legacy to say that we are here and we are here to stay. So that is what our USP is. Good space for India. Right time to invest in something, and with startups it's going crazy. So good time to start anything new and afresh. So all the best and kudos.